far where I come from. I sit and wonder about the
Yo.
times that it made sense. But nowadays, I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days, I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around and keep you stagnant, distraction. So you don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping. Stacking them Franklins, them Grants, and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never just unpacking. I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help them, it, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then there's no one else. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it, love yourself. Practice what you preach.
Good morning. Good morning. Let me log in here. And go ahead and get logged in. Yo,
Yo, what's up, bro?
what's going on, man? You got any meetings this morning? I don't know why I thought you had meetings on Fridays.
No, never on Friday, only on Mondays
All right.
and occasionally on Thursdays. Is the background too loud?
No, not at all. I hope I
Okay,
always have
perfect.
my own background. So I don't know, that kind of you won't hear it though
Yeah,
if there's music on my thing. So
yeah, there's no music.
No, you're not gonna hear it. It's just going through the feed for OBS, but I
Okay.
can hear it though. Um, yeah, so I see shorts. I'm out of it now, but the shorts that I showed you I took, I saw
Mm-hmm.
that trend line liquidity, and I know that I could be wrong, man. I do see that they both ES and NQ took previous day lows, but
Mm-hmm.
I don't see any divergence because they both left Wednesday low intact. Nonetheless, and even the PD arrays that I'm looking at, I'm not too much of a fan because they're outside of the kill zone. But nonetheless, I want to see a dip at open and then potentially just go higher. So, can I share my screen? I think it'll be a little bit easier.
Yeah, for sure.
Is it showing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I have this as a breaker, the 145 and 150, which is outside of the kill zone, but it looks clean because it took out these equal lows and we took out previous days low too. I mean, personally, I wish I was, I stayed up in London, but even then, like, I wouldn't have caught this at no two something. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But I probably would have bought from here. I did buy from here on demo, but I didn't want no deep retracement, so I just stayed out of it. And sure enough, that thing just continued. Um, so I would want to see, even though this is not 50% of this entire range, this is the high before the low. But if we want to use ICT rules and kill zone, it could just dip back into here and then go up. So it doesn't necessarily have to come down here. There is a fair value gap here, so I could see it dipping here until here. But midnight would be my last line of defense for longs. So that's what I'm thinking right now. A dip at open and then look for a reversal to go higher. Huh?
No, I said that sounds good.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know if you had any thoughts. I can go on and on about why, other reasons why I wanted to go up too. We've been going down all week. What I have not calculated, which I honestly don't do often, is a retracement of 30% back into the range. What is that? That TGIF thing that
30%.
20 is
Oh,
it isn't it like 25 to 30% of the range?
I'll be honest with you. I don't know. I've never used the
Okay.
TGI thing. Yeah.
Well, long story short, what it is basically you're looking to see where the week would close. If it meets its objective for the week, you're looking to see it retrace. So if, for example, if you're basically talking about it's a bearish week, you're looking to create that bottom wick. And then the opposite
Correct.
if it's been a bullish week, right? And
Right.
so you're looking to retrace about 20 to 35% of range. I know I have a lot going on right now, but this is the week started on Monday. Where's Sunday? Okay. So you have this is Sunday open. Okay. And you know what? It's gonna be easier if I do it on a screen that's not too what's the name? Okay, there you go. So if I put this on a weekly, and if the low is in, then I look for it to retrace back 25 to 30%, which it kind of already is right now. It looked like at 25% of range. So 25 to 30% or whatnot. But I don't look too deep into it though. You know what I mean? But because that's not like my
Go to
go-to
the
kind of
daily
thing.
time frame. Oh, sorry. Go back to the daily time frame for a second.
All right, because market about to open in 30 seconds. I'm on a daily.
Oh, then never mind. I just saw something while you were on there.
Say it.
I just have I just have my previous day high marked up, and then I think Wednesday's low, just because there's an inefficiency up there on a daily. Um, I think both ES and NQ might reach for that.
For the previous day.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I mean, yeah, I mean, I want the previous day to be reached. Yeah.
But as far as analysis, I was actually trying to get ahead of work since I have reports due at 12. So now I'm like hella ahead. I can only focus on the market. So I haven't really done any analysis. Um,
Okay.
but if I'm just looking at the chart there,
Damn.
market just
Look at the drop.
eh, liquidity hasn't been grabbed yet. I'm trying to see what happened
Well,
yesterday.
it's sell side.
The same sell side was grabbed for both. Both of them cleared PM session
Okay.
lows.
So here's what I want
Uh,
to see if we start to reverse or not.
yeah, I'm gonna look at the 3:45 a.m. Fair value gap on NQ on a 15 minutes, or even the 4 a.m. Fair value gap to see what it does there. Five minutes. Oh, yeah. This is right under midnight. And that breaker you were talking about, yeah, if price dips below 194, that would be sweet. I'm gonna draw that out, and also OTE for the range. Yeah, it would need to come down to at least halfway.
I
Yes,
mean,
it's
it
not
could just
doing
go
that.
up from here.
It can. I'm looking at London as a continuation, and on the 1 hour, it's pretty apparent that it's rejecting that 1 hour BC, so which is good, which is
Mm-hmm.
also S. But on the 15-minute, trying to be more surgical, I would love for it to come down underneath midnight. And right underneath that, the next PD array is the 345 Fair Valley Gap. And to the left of that is also CISD. So I'm gonna wait. I want to see if ES clears previous day high first, which is at 64.19, or if NQ dips down there first. Might be a choppy one. First gap, may entertain this first gap as an inversion if it can close above it.
Mm-hmm.
But I just hate buying above midnight.
It's that breaker from the kill zone, man.
Yeah, the breaker, like you said, is outside of the kill zone, which is at midnight on a 1 hour.
That's why I say look at the one, the breaker from Asia kill zone as a
Yeah,
possibility.
it aligns with the 4 a.m. BC on the 15-minute. So that's actually a unicorn model. The only big thing for me is that I want discount. I don't want to buy above midnight. So
I got you.
sometimes it messes you up because you want to be perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to see if there's a closure at 9:30 Fair Valley Gap to use that as inversion.
Got you. I scalped some buys. What I should have did was just take partials and held it. But
How many times are you gonna tell
I
yourself that?
know, right? I know. I feel better once I know how this 15-minute candle closes.
Down to the 200. Well, below the 200s actually would be nice.
I mean, I think we took enough sell side liquidity post 8:30, right? We took a 15-minute swing. So it does not have to go any lower.
Okay.
I mean, I'm being patient to wait for a buy setup. Um, you know, I caught the reaction from the down move. Um, but sometimes it's just a reaction and not an actual reversal. So I'd like to see us go higher. But
Do you have what? This isn't my thing. This is
Mhm.
your thing. This aligns with my thing. Do you have the equal highs on a 1 hour marked up for both ES and NQ?
That is my thing. I usually do it on the 15 minutes, but I don't see equal highs anywhere. Are you talking about from yesterday?
From yesterday, yep, for both.
Like that Asia
Overnight,
session?
just look on a 1 hour. It'll
I'm on
be
a one
very
hour.
clear. Yeah, just look at overnight 2 a.m. and then Wednesday 10 p.m. for NQ.
On Thursday?
Thursday at 2 a.m. in the morning, and to the left of that, Wednesday at 10 p.m. Those are equal highs at 23,369.
Okay. I mentioned
And
this on yesterday.
okay.
But there was an issue that
Mhm.
made me think, man, it looks so clean, but I wasn't sure. And that was the I thought that's what you'd be getting at. It's ES didn't it didn't look like equal highs to me on ES. Well, ES does have the equal highs, but there was a slight, very slight divergence. Um, and that was the issue. And I was like, oh man, it might just keep going down. But damn, damn, and I was long too. It's all good. It is all good.
Well, the setup just confirmed. You have a small fair value gap as well as a inversion, or you could just wait for 937 fair value gap to confirm. Just so you know, ES is about to take previous day highs, which is
Yeah, I
the
see it.
equal. So
Yeah.
it's okay not to catch the first move. I feel like the last 2 to 3 days been spoiling you. So
Oh,
just take a moment.
you're right. You're right. You're right. You know what it is? Um, Maybe it is emotion, but I really gotta do, for some reason, when I get in profit too quickly, it's like, damn, this is exactly what I want. But yet when it's happening exactly the way I want, for some reason it scares me. And I don't know what that is or why that is. Like, of course I want it to go in profit quickly, but then when it goes in profit too quickly, it's like, damn, am I being faked out? It's self-sabotage.
It is. A guy actually mentioned that in the thing that you sent.
Yeah,
I got in
yeah.
one macro contract. If it
Mhm.
jumps down any lower to 257, basically the 250s, I add on two more macros.
Yeah.
My max today will probably be three macros. So
Let me be, let's see, where are some fair
see
value
what happens in
gaps?
ES. Retests its first fair value gap. Hopefully it does that before it takes 64.19.
I don't know what's going on. Price is frozen for me. What the hell? Hello? Oh shit. I lost internet connection with this weather. Wow. Good thing I had a stop loss. Even if it does take me out. Jesus Christ. Alright, so it did not take me out. Good. Wow. If I can get on a hot spot, that would be good. Okay. Hello?
Yeah, what happened?
I lost internet connection, bro.
The freak.
Yeah, bro, I was scared too, bro. I'm like, I lost internet connection, and I'm like, damn. But I'm back. We're
Sweet.
about one standard deviation, almost one standard deviation. But let's see. I got those equal highs marked up. We'll see. Well, you know, what's her name tapped those equal highs? ES did.
Yeah, I already did. Now it's reaching Wednesday's PM session highs, which I am eyeing. Um, that's at 64.24. But let's see if it can reach the bigger daily fair value gap at 64.38. So who knows? I'm still in the longs. Up about 50 points now. I'm tempted to add another macro once it reaches the first fair value gap below.
Okay.
Are you in a position right now? I wanted to show you something. If
Yeah,
not, then
I'm
it's cool.
long, but I'm at break even though. So whatever happens, happens.
All right, go on a 1 hour.
Okay.
All right, so the this morning's low, London's low, 2 a.m. on a 1 hour, that is considered as your long-term low for this range. This is just for intraday, not long-term, right?
Hmm.
To the left of that, Thursday at 1 p.m.
Thursday at 1 p.m.
Yeah, that wick. This is only on a one
Yes,
hour.
yes, yes. The bottom wick of the 1 p.m. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, so that is an intermediate low because it has two short-term lows to the left and to the right of it.
I see that.
Now, the low that just happened at 9 a.m., that long wick, what would that be?
9 a.m.
Mm-hmm. We're still on a 1 hour.
Yeah, yeah. Just a retracement, right? Oh, would that be another? Oh, that would be another short term low.
It's not short-term. It's an intermediate because it retested a fair value gap.
Oh, well, you know what? You're right. And I've been messing up with that language, short term versus intermediate or whatnot. When I say short term, I really do mean intermediate. You're right. Because long intermediate low, and so now that's yeah, yeah. You're right. You're right. I see
Yeah,
it,
so
man.
short-term low is a regular three candle swing.
Mm-hmm.
Intermediate is two short-term lows to the left and to the right of it.
Mm-hmm.
But intermediate is the only one that can happen two ways. It automatically makes it an intermediate low. So the thing to remember is when you have a long-term low with an
Mm-hmm.
intermediate low to the left of it, this is only for longs.
Mm-hmm.
Intermediate low to the left of it, and now we just created a intermediate low to the right of it.
Mm-hmm.
That last intermediate low is protected, or it
God
should be
damn.
protected, right? I'm about to add another one here.
Order filled.
It should be protected until the long-term high to the left, which is the equal highs, until that is cleared. So, and
Gotcha.
advanced market structure, we shouldn't come back to 23,205. Shouldn't.
23,205. No, that's like way down though.
Yep.
Maybe. Okay.
So, in other words, 369 should be cleared before 205 comes back to it.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
All right.
On a 15-minute, Everything looks good.
First retest of the day just happened. Let's see if that holds. Hopefully. The daily is playing out pretty smoothly. ES is it's CB, and so is NQ. So because NQ has two, hopefully the first one is a breakaway, and then we continue sales either later in the afternoon or next week.
We're exactly one standard deviation above Asia's, well, from the projection of those 2 a.m. lows. So I expected a little drop here, but I wanted to get to, honestly, I mean, this might be reaching. I'm probably gonna get out right if we get to those equal highs really, really soon. But I think it could potentially goes to 23,453, which would be 2 standard deviations. So, yeah, I just want these new highs to be taken, then I'm gonna take partial, bro.
Killing live account.
I'm sorry.
I say you're killing that live account.
Oh my gosh,
No stress.
bro, I've tripled this thing already, bro. Um,
It's been a great week. I
it
ain't gonna lie.
not just that, bro. Made a withdrawal, paid a little something, something. I'm just, I should have been doing this a long time ago. I should have been doing this a
Yeah.
long time ago. Um, um, I have enough in there where I can put two minis, but I think this is the first time I'm so comfortable with the micros. Like I'm literally so comfortable with the micros. Like I started out trading 2, 3 micros at the beginning of the week, and then I went on to now trading 5 micros comfortably, and I'm satisfied with it. I could go up to 10, 15, 20, but I'm like, man, I don't have to, and the part of it is because even with 5 micros, I don't like the loss, and so if I don't like the loss on the 5 micros, then I know for a fact I'm not gonna like the loss on 10 micros. So I say, you know what? I'm chilling. I'm chilling because I'm not trying to pass a challenge. I'm just trying to take this, build it basically, right? And honestly, it's more than enough, bro. More than enough. I just gotta, as long as I don't shoot myself in the foot, you know, um, where you get that, it just, recognizing enough is enough. That's all. Enough. And so, yeah, man, it's good, bro. It is good. Yeah.
Um, on the high side, there's been really apparent liquidity that's been cleared for ES, and it's inside of is this last week? I think 2 weeks ago, new week opening gap. When was that? 8-10. Last week's new week opening gap is dancing around, rejecting it, and there's a small SMT on the 1 minute on the high side. Um, I
Yeah.
will close if that swing low at 946 gets broken.
I see it.
It also, the 5 minute BC is all the way down at 294. So it'll be crazy if it comes back down there just to rebalance that and continues higher.
Oh yeah, Trump and Powell speaks today at 10, right? Market might go bonkers, man, and shoot to the moon.
Saying opposite things.
You said the opposite
So
could
that's
happen?
no, I'm saying not when they're saying opposite things.
Listen, I don't even care what they say no more. I just love the reaction sometimes. I just want the volatility.
I would prefer 369 gets cleared first. Although the second, I,
I
I
agree
feel
with
like
you.
the second leg is the 949 fair value gap. So hopefully price shouldn't close below that. But if it does, the first order block of the day is all the way down at 938. That black candle.
938. Okay, that's where my stop loss was in initially. My stop loss in profit. That is.
The 5 minute fair value gap is right above that 938 order block. So could just cause that deep retracement just to push higher, but I'm not sure. I'll be back. I'm going to the bathroom.
Yo. Reading this algo like a book, man. All right.
Today's first year marriage anniversary, my boy.
Congratulations, my dude. Yeah. Oh yeah. I remember you reading saying that's why you was not gonna be available too. Let's see here.
Push. I'm gonna add more at
Don't. Ooh. Where?
394.
I was gonna say be careful. Don't do it yet.
Oh no. The fair value gap at 940, right above the order block.
140. I would say wait first. Well, it depends. Where's your stop loss gonna be?
It's under the order block.
Oh, like at
360,
260?
65 specifically.
Oh, like at the
265.
bottom body? Okay. That's a fair order. That's a fair stop loss. That's below like what, 50% of it, mean threshold. So
Order filled.
yeah. Personally, I don't even want it to touch that order block, or at least not below that wick, because we're deep into that Fair value gap already.
Well, there you have it, folks.
Well, let's
If
see.
that was the turnaround move, boy,
Oh,
that would
damn.
be.
Stop filled.
That's hilarious.
Oh, damn. Don't tell me we're gonna get another bearish day, bro. I think we're just that would be wild.
I mean, it took enough liquidity. There was SMT, so
We've been freaking bearish all week. I mean, we're just back at the market open gap.
yeah, that
Let's
inversion
see.
people was waiting for, maybe.
Yeah, so I'm hoping that that's what holds, man. Honestly, I probably could call it a day, man. Between those shorts and the longs that I did catch, I'm up 1,000, bro.
Oh yeah, just forget about it. This is
I
a live
could.
account, bro.
Yeah,
You're
bro.
not trying to prove anything.
You're 100% right, man.
I'm personally done too. There's no point. That wick is just outrageous.
I want to see if market open gap holds and what happens in the next 30 seconds when news supposedly is supposed to start.
Watch that thing just blast straight to 369. It would be hilarious.
Hilarious. I'm gonna be sad I wasn't in it, but you know what? You ain't gotta be a part of them all. And now I see what ICT be saying, bro. You can literally print money if you know what you're doing, and just be satisfied with a little bit, and you'll just gradually scale. You know, $200 a day literally turn into $400 a day, $500 a day, all that, blah 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 blah.
Look at that. Just
Look!
like
Oh my goodness!
straight to 369. Just like I said. Yep.
Ah!
It came
You know,
straight from the
oh,
inversion. Went all the way down to the inversion just to do that. It's just wild.
oh,
Alright, so it's inside of the daily CB.
oh. 2 standard deviations is at 23,453. Oh,
Let's see if it reaches 517 even. Like, why stop there?
it's 2 standard deviations.
My objective for the day has been met. Yeah, I want to see 590. There's a nice CB in there.
And this is the PM session. That was nice,
I
bro.
have nothing. Yeah, I have nothing else on my chart. The objective have been met. I'm pretty much done. Remember what I told you about that intermediate swing low on a 1 hour?
Yep.
All that retracement could not break it. All right, I'm calling it a day. It was nice.
Hey, likewise, man. Likewise, bro. Likewise, bro. Great week.
Let's do this again. Definitely Monday.
All right, man.
All right, bro. Bye.
Sir. Been a great week indeed.
Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested.
Gotta know when
Can't
enough is
complain, I
enough, man,
can't
and get
debate
out,
on who
man.
the
It
best
might go
is.
higher. It
Over
really
time, I don't
might.
really care about who next
But
is. Man, I'm right now.
let's be
Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, I don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, push it, push it, push it.
sir.